Imagine living in a rural area in Zimbabwe or a village in Zimbabwe, or you've got relatives who live in such area. You have known that communication can be very difficult. Even sending a simple text message, a simple WhatsApp message can be a struggle. Downloading an audio is a nightmare. But thanks to Starlink, high-speed internet is within reach. Today, in today's video, I will be taking you through a step-by-step process of how to buy Starlink in Zimbabwe. And I'll also show you why it's important for you to take advantage of the credit scheme and get connected right away. Good day and welcome back to my channel, MTN Possibilities. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel if you're a returning viewer. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. In this channel, we talk about everything that's happening in Bulawayo, the surrounding areas, generally life in Zimbabwe. Let's get started in off-grid areas. Starlink is a satellite-based internet service provider from SpaceX. It's designed to provide fast and reliable internet anywhere in the world, even in the most remote villages. Unlike traditional broadband or mobile networks, which depend on towers, Starlink is based on satellite and it beams directly from satellites, making it a perfect solution for rural and off-grid areas in Zimbabwe. So now, how do you buy Starlink? First of all, you need to make sure that you have got a Visa card that can enable you to make a USD payment or maybe Rand. As long as it's a Visa card, you need to get that. You need to get your hands on that. Now, here is the step-by-step way of ordering. First of all, you need to visit Starlink website. You go to www.starlink and enter your location and check coverage. So let's do this together. You visit the Starlink website, go to www.starlink.com and enter your location. Here, it will ask you where you are located or service location. Maybe you could be buying for your rural-based relatives who are in the remote villages. Just enter their service area. And this can be a bit tricky because most rural areas, they might not be such big areas that are known. So maybe you can enter the name of your nearest school or nearest clinic or any place that's known there. Just put that and then enter. Then you choose your plan. I'll choose the residential plan. And this is easy because you'll be setting up for home. It's the most ideal for most of us as we'll be setting it up for home. Or maybe you might want the wrong plan. Well, it's all up to you. Then, once you've chosen your kit, whether you want a mini or a standard, and then you have chosen your plan, you go ahead and make your payment. Now here is the best part. Starlink is offering a credit scheme to everyone here in Zimbabwe. But I think this was especially made for the people who live in the rural areas. Because you can pay for as little as $73, you can start having your kits. Remember, from $223, now $73, and then 6 months to pay, you can have your own kit. So the $73, the initial payment, is $50 that's going towards the Starlink kit. But mind you, from this $50, $30 is going towards your monthly subscription fee. So basically, you are paying around $20 only for the kit. And then $23 is for shipping. Now, how easy can it get? So you then spread it over a period of 6 months, which means you can be paying something between $25 every month for the next coming 6 months. You add that to your $30, probably you are paying something like 30 plus 20, you are paying something like $45 per month towards your Starlink kit, which is really quite reasonable considering that most of our internet providers, mobile network, you with that much, $45, you won't even get internet that's even close to what you get from Starlink. So it will ask you to give in your shipping and delivery address. So you put in your address there, you put in your name, your address, and where you want it to be delivered. So if we are buying for people who are in the rural areas, you can put in your address where a DHL facility is. For example, if you are buying for someone maybe who is out of Bulawayo but within range, probably Nyamendlovu, Dabazinduna, or areas such as Insuza, then you can simply buy from, you can have your location being at DHL in Bulawayo. That's where that's where it will be delivered. And interestingly, the other day I got a call from one of the DHL suppliers, and they said to me, "Don't come to the DHL that you know, which is on Main Street, but come to some location near Chronicle there." Why? Because they've opened a brand new place there for the specific services for Starlink delivery. Can you imagine? So a lot of people are taking advantage of this, and it should be an opportunity for you too to take advantage of this. And so please don't miss out. So after you've put in your shipping and delivery, your kit will be shipped to the nearest collection point and you'll receive the tracking details. The tracking details can come through your phone or your email address, whichever you would have put in. Afterwards, once you have received, setting up is easy. If you don't know how to do it and you haven't seen one of my videos, please take a look at this video that I did while I was showing how I set up my Starlink kit here in the rural areas with no internet connection whatsoever. I was totally off grid Starlink. So do take advantage of this, especially if you're in the rural areas. The moment you pay your $73, your Starlink kit is in your hands within 3 days, guys. The latest that I bought through our MTN consultants company, we got it within 3 days. So we are actually helping other people. I know in Zimbabwe we've got a lot of people who have challenges with probably bank accounts and even navigating this whole internet space. If you are unable to navigate it, please do get in touch. We can assist you with our sister company, MTN Consultancy. They are actually consulting and helping you to buy this. So do get in touch so that you can also get connected. Now, who should get internet? Who should get Starlink in Zimbabwe? I would say everyone from the rural homes. If you want to to communicate with your relatives in the diaspora, if you just want to keep connected and keep in touch with everything that's happening around the world, do get the Starlink mini kit for you, because the Starlink kit, the mini, that's the one that's going for the credit scheme. And on $73, you already have your kit. You can also have small businesses and the entrepreneurs in the rural areas. You can then work online without network problems at all. So do get in touch so that we can assist you. Students, remote workers, this is your chance. Study without any frustration, work without any frustration at all. Content creators, live streamers, upload your videos and stream with no buffering at all. I tell you, when I upload my videos, it's so fast I even forget. Within a few minutes, my upload is finished. So do take advantage of this, and you can start streaming seamlessly in no time at all. So if you have been struggling with unreliable internet, now is the time to invest in Starlink. Order today and take advantage of the credit scheme in Zimbabwe while it lasts. You know, these things don't last forever. So let me know in the comments, would you get Starlink for your home or business? If so, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more information on rural development and just general life in Zimbabwe. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.